Meow, meow, meow. Hey guys, welcome to Show and Tell Toys.
Whoa, what do you have right here?
Thomas and Friends Superstation.
The Thomas and Friends Superstation. Look at this thing. This thing is huge. It's like, what, Tidmouth Sheds or something?
Yeah.
Tidmouth Sheds, and then down here there's Diesel Works, Steamworks, and Knapford Station.
And Candy Toby, where you eating.
And Candy Toby. So this kind of Superstation can take Trackmaster, Thomas Taking Plays,
and Minis.
Adventures, and Minis. That's right. And it's, wait a second, what is this right here? Cranky, what do you have right here?
I have a Thomas Mini bag.
Whoa, Thomas Minis, and what does it say right there? Oh man, look at that. 2017 Wave 4.
We
Are
have
you
some.
kidding me?
We have some.
How did he get that, Thomas? Whoa! There's like Thomas Minis everywhere. Wow, this is like a surprise Superstation or something. Where are these coming from? Wait a second. These all say they all say Wave 4. They all say 2017 Wave 4. Holy moly. So you're saying we should open up these Thomas Minis Wave 4 and check them out?
Yeah!
Yeah, we should. Okay, so before we open these, I want to see some of these trains go. Okay, turn them on. Here we go. Get them going down the track. And here's one of the setups that you can do with this Superstation. Oh, yeah. There they go. Coming around. Whoa, that one's going down the ramp. And there's another one going down the ramp. And there's another one. And there's another one. Oh, boy. Here comes Arthur. And Victor. Crash. I don't think... Oh, no. What happened right there? Energizer.
You can't see. You can't see.
And here they go around the turn. And here's Dart and Samson coming through. Here they go through Diesel Works. Here they go through Steamworks. And through the Diesel Works. And where are they going through now? Knapford Station. Whoop, there comes Arthur. Oh, there goes Percy. Going around. Going around and down the hill. Haha, very cool. Wow, this Superstation. Plus, you can store all these Thomas Minis on these little areas right here. That's pretty cool. You can put them right there, or you can hang them like that. That's cool. Oh, here comes... Whoa, Salty's pushing a Thomas Mini. Whoa, Victor's pushing a Thomas Mini. Cool. Here comes some more. Here's Salty. Ahoy there, me hearties. I'm Salty. Oh, is that one set up? Okay. Alright, here comes here comes Toby.
Here comes the Salt Man.
Oh no. Crash. And he's off the track. Oh, there you go, Thomas. You push him along. Good job. Oh, there goes Samson. There's a Sweets. Oh, that's like a Christmas one. Toby's pushing Toby. Yeah. What do you think? Should we open these Thomas Minis? Let's have Spencer go back up the hill. And Thomas go back up the hill. Come on, Thomas. You can do it. You can do it, Thomas. Push Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Come on, Thomas. Push Thomas. Push him. Push him. Ah. Come on, you can do it. Oh, no. He's going to crash right there. Who we got? Diesel 10 and Samson. Oh, no. He's going to crash right into those Thomas Minis. Oh, no, Thomas. No, what are you doing? Oh, no. Okay, so let's open up these blind bags and check it out. 2017 Wave 4. But look on the back. Number 30. And then, like, look at this one. Number 52. And, like, look at this one. 165. They're not consecutive numbers, and we don't know exactly what's in Wave 4. Okay, you opening one? Okay, you open that one. Can you get your fingers in there?
Is there gonna be a SpongeBob in there?
SpongeBob? I don't know. Who is it? Hold it out so everybody can see it. Who is it? It may be one we've had before.
Hey!
Whoa, who is that?
It's Henry
And here's a checklist. Okay, who is it?
It's Henry.
It's Henry? Okay, what does the checklist look like? Okay, let's see. This is Henry. Does he look like, what does he look like? He's got something on his face. Oh, he's a snake, I think.
Yeah.
Look at his face. He's got fangs and a slithery tongue. So that's Henry. Number 3, Henry. With kind of like, maybe he's like some kind of sea. Oh, what's it say right there? Snake Henry. I got it right. It's Snake Henry. Okay, so here's the checklist. Okay, see all the minis. Wave 4. All right, different kinds on there. All right, there we go. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, so open the next one. Who do we have in this one? Another checklist. And
Oh, it's Gordon. We already have one of these.
yeah, Gordon with a black face. I think that's an astronaut, right?
Yeah.
Is that what that is, or space?
Yeah.
A space? Where's the checklist? Where's the trusty checklist? Here we go. Is that one on there? Yep. It's a Space Gordon. Okay. The second one is a Space Gordon. Oh, but you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to tell everybody what the number was, okay? So number 60 is a Space Gordon, okay? The other one, the first number was a 165.
That was Snake Henry.
That was a Snake Henry. Okay, 165 was Snake Henry. All right. Now let's do the next bag. What are you gonna do? What number are you gonna do? The number is 52. Okay, 52. Who's it gonna be?
Oh, I got Dash.
Classic Dash. Okay, Classic Dash is bag number 52. Okay, so we've seen a Classic Dash before, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So there is a Classic Dash. All right.
Let's look
Very
at
cool.
Let's look at that handy dandy checklist and see if Dash is. Yep.
There he is. All right, I'll open the next one, and this is bag number 30. Bag number 30. Okay, let's see who's in bag number 30. I think it's gonna be a new one.
Oh, we got Classic Diesel.
A Classic Diesel. Bag number 30, Classic Diesel. 173, bag 173. Here, rip it open. And it's
A Charlie.
a Cheeky Charlie.
Classic one.
Cheeky Charlie. Okay, it's a classic Cheeky Charlie. All right, and he's probably on the checklist too, isn't he?
Yep.
Okay, open up the next one. It's bag 171. Here, I'll get it started for you. Like right about there. There you go. All right, pull it out and see who's inside.
Come on. It's a James.
James, and what does he look like? That's a different James. Is he on that checklist somewhere?
With this guy.
Who's this guy? Is he on there? No. Oh, yeah, he is. Steel James.
Yeah.
So, Steel? Okay. So, that's the category is Steel. So, a Steel James. And that's what he looks like. Okay. And that was bag 171 for Steel James. 142. Okay, open that bag up. Who's it gonna be?
Hey, it's Diesel 10.
Oh, a Diesel 10. What does he look like? Is he like industry or steel? Maybe he's steel too. What's the checklist say for this Diesel 10? Construction. He's construction. Construction Diesel 10. Okay. All right, let's go to the next bag. Bag 100. Ooh, bag 100. That's going to be a good one, right?
Yeah.
Bag 100 is going to be a good one.
Hey, it's
Who is it?
the Thomas.
It's a Thomas, and he's like construction or something, right?
Let's see.
Construction Thomas? Is that what he is on the checklist? Yep, Construction Thomas. All right, very cool. Okay, I'll open the next one. Bag 54.
It's B. It says B inside.
A bee? It's going to come out and sting me again?
Oh,
it's
it's Scarloey.
It's a classic Scarloey. Bag 54. Oh no, here comes Cranky. Oh no, Cranky's got Scarloey. It goes right here, look. There we go. Alright. Whoa, Cranky, you're so mean. Oh man. Okay, who's the next bag? Bag number 96. Alright, open it up. Rip. Okay, hold out your hand. I'll dump it in your hand. Two hands. 2 hands. Oh,
It's Victor!
It's Victor. It's like a flame Victor or something, right? Here, look him up on the checklist. And this Victor has flames on him, doesn't he?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. There he is. He's a nighttime Victor. Nighttime Victor. Okay.
Yay!
All right. On to the next bag. I'll open the next bag. It's 67. 67, and it's classic Spencer.
Yeah.
Bag 120. Bag 120. Who's it gonna be? 120. Okay. Dump it out in your hand.
Huh?
Show me who it is.
Hey!
Whoa!
I got the new
Look
Percy.
at that one. Number 6, Percy. He looks like the Blob or something. He looks like Jello. What is it? Which one is he? He's called Blob. He's called the Blob Percy.
What? Right.
Very cool. Okay. All right. Now let's go on to the next bag. 31. Okay, 31. Let's see bag 31.
Yeah.
I don't think so. Okay, pull that out there.
Hey.
It's
It's a Bill.
Bill.
Classic Bill.
Yeah, look. Classic Bill. All right, that's very cool. All right. One more bag. Actually, there's a couple more bags. Okay, who's in this one?
Come
This
on.
one's going to be...
Hey, it's a s'mores Toby.
Oh, yeah.
S'mores.
S'mores Toby. That's right.
Let's see what it is.
Okay, what's this? This is bag 62, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right, you open the next one. All right, bag 180. All right, let's see what you have in bag 180. Here, hold out your hand. Hold out your hand.
What
And
is it's a Edward.
It's a Edward. He looks dirty. Like he's all dirty, full of coal or something. A dirty Edward. Is that what he's called? Dirty Edward. Yeah, there he is. Steel. He's Steel Edward right there. Steel Edward. Okay. The last one. All right. Let's see. Bag 164. Let's see. Come on, you can do it. Okay,
My turn.
pull it out.
Last one. What is it?
Who's it gonna be?
Hey.
Whoa!
It's Zebra Thomas.
Look at that. The last one is a Zebra Thomas. Very cool.
Yeah, it's a Zebra Thomas.
Very cool. It is a Zebra Thomas. All right. That's awesome. Have you ever seen a zebra on a train before? No, that's right. All right, very cool. Okay, so here are the Wave 4 Tomas Minis for 2017. Who we have right here on the end? Dash. Diesel. Bill.
Thomas. Edward.
Zebra Thomas, right? And a Steel Edward. And a Snake Henry.
Charlie.
And a Classic Charlie. And who's that? That's a
Thomas.
Nighttime Victor, right?
Yeah.
And then a Construction Thomas. Gordon, Space Gordon. And what's that one called? Steel James, yeah. Steel James, okay. And then we got Classic Scarloy, Construction Diesel 10, Nighttime or S'mores Toby, The Blob Percy, and Classic Spencer, right?
Yeah.
All right, very cool.
They're gonna crash.
And they're going to crash? Okay. Should we take them down the ramp on this Tomas Superstation?
Yeah.
Let's connect this ramp up. Let's take that buffer off right there. Whoa! No! Okay. Let's connect that track right there. And push that in a little bit more right there. And then we'll build this section right here.
Build it up. Build it up.
Let's build it up. Build it up. Okay, so let's take these Tomas Minis down this ramp right here. Whoa! Who's that one? That's a Tootsie. There's a Jane or a Henry. Let's take all these new ones from Wave 4 down the ramp. Check it out. Check it out. Super speed. Super speed. Whoa, that's really fast. He crashed on the way down. That was James. They're just crashing right next to. What is this horse doing in there? Okay, send them down. Hook up a couple. Hook up a couple of them at the same time. And then send them down the track. There you go. Very cool. Okay. Oh, he was going backwards. Whoa. Okay, 3 more. 3 more of the wave 4.
And
Let's
let's do the other ones.
Meow, meow, meow. Oh, the ones that are meow, the ones that are held down there. Oh, Busy Bee James. And who's that? Oh, a space. Who's that? Sydney or somebody? Meow, meow. Whoa, you got lots of them on this Superstation. Meow, meow, meow. Junior Mints, Emily, going down the ramp. They're fast, aren't they? I didn't know Thomas Minis were race cars.
Yeah.
Oh, there's 3 more right here. There's 3 more, and there's one on the backside. Diesel. I'm Diesel 10.
Yeah.
Silly Steamies.
Ah!
Oh, Samson's pushing. Wait a second.
Oh, forget the Flash.
Oh, I don't think he's gonna make it. I don't think his battery works. The Flash. Whoa, that was fast. Oh, and a panda. Is that all of them that we see?
I think so.
I think we see one more. Dun dun dun! Diesel. Go Diesel. And there goes Diesel 10. Oh, Diesel 10 is crashing. He's trying to take out Knapford Station. What is he doing? Oh man, that Diesel. Yeah, you stopped him.
Yeah, truck coming.
Oh, put a couple Thomas Minis in this car. Okay, here we go. Oh no. Oh no, they're going on the ride. They crashed big time. Some of these back in this Thomas Mini storage case right here.
Yeah.
There we go. We don't have much room down there, but we got room right there. So let's load them up. Okay, who we got? We got like a Gator. That's a Gator.
That's a caboose.
Gator Samson or something, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then James and Emily. And let's see, that's Harley Quinn. Okay. There you go. Lay them on the side. Load them up. Load them up. Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 4 is 28 minis in this top container. That's a lot of minis.
Yeah.
And did you know that they have not only 70 plus, I think there's probably like 200 out right now.
Yeah.
Or more, maybe. We're going to have to count up all our minis one day and see how many we have.
Like 1,000.
You think we have like 1,000 of them?
Yeah.
Oh, man. We need a Thomas Mini Superstation. That would be awesome. They made a Thomas Mini super duper holder. Alright, that one's filled. And guess what? This one's filled, I think. So we're going to have to get... Oh, man, there's no room. We're going to have to get another container to put these other ones in.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Does that have any room in that one?
Yeah.
Does that one have room? Alright. Let's put some in this one.
But, oh, man, we forgot to get another one.
Yeah, we might run out of room. I know what we can do with the extras. Do you know what you can do with the extras that don't fit?
What?
You can take them right over here to this Superstation, and you can hang them up just like that. Look at that. Look at how cool that is. That's how you can store over 100 different trains on this Superstation. You got any extras? Is that all of them?
Yeah.
And then look at this. You can even take these Trackmasters just like this, and you can hang these Trackmasters up. And that's how you store Trackmasters. Percy's just hanging out along with Stanley.
Put 6 in here.
Oh yeah, you can fit more in there?
Yeah.
Very cool. Alright. What do you think of this Superstation? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, if you like it or not. Look at all these storage places for Thomas Minis, Trackmaster, even you can use wooden railway. But look, here's a spot too. You can put You can put trains just about anywhere. So very cool. Alright, so there you go. There are the new Wave 4 Thomas Minis. Very cool. Plus, this Thomas Superstation is pretty cool too, right? Yeah, it is. Alright, well that's it for this episode of Show and Tell. Make sure you check out my channel for more Thomas and Friends Thomas Minis videos and for more exciting toys.
Do you like seeing really cool and exciting toys? Then select a video to see really awesome toys from the Show and Tell Toys channel. There are so many cool toy videos. Which one are you going to pick?